Der Anspruch der Entwicklung war,
The new controller design had to meet our goal of being always ahead of the market and delivering even better quality to our customers. We have developed our own control system that is intuitive to operate and offers excellent functionality to users. We have chosen a Siemens Industrial Panel PC for our application. The panel PC can be installed directly next to the machine, features a robust display and is easy to clean. The slim design was very appealing to us. The PC offers high performance and a responsive touchscreen. With this industrial panel PC and together with Siemens, we could implement our application as planned and take our operation concept a step further. With the new touch interface, you can navigate through the menu just like on a smartphone, swiping through the 4 main screens. Drawings are indispensable when working at the machine, and you can load them simply via the USB port. Plus, such drawings always contain detailed views of thread undercuts, small cavities and the like. And now you can just zoom in on the screen and arrange the drawings as you need them. When you're not certain how to use one of the screens, there's an info icon in the upper right corner that contains information for the specific screen. We also offer videos, specifically for training or on maintenance routines that you need to perform. The new touchscreen simplifies operation a lot, and working with the machine is even more enjoyable than before. If I can choose between an older model without touch operation and the new one, I always work with the new system.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.